Hello everyone, well to Engineering Mechanics. This course is offered to the e-learning platform by the Ishan College of Engineering. Let us begin our course by expressing our thanks to Ishan College of Engineering. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Shailesh Kumar and I am Assistant Professor in Civil Department. Now let's start the model series of Engineering Mechanics. In this session, we will start the QTC, question through concept program. Okay. Now see the questions, truss based questions. Generally analysis of truss, two types of analysis, method of sections and method of joints. In this problem, we will solve the method of joints method. Now see the problem, determine the reaction and the force in each members of the truss support two loads and shown in the figure. Given here A, E, B, D, C. At A point hinge is here, at C point roller. That means A is the hinge, that means two reactions will be generated. First is the vertical reaction, that is called VA, and the horizontal reaction HA. Second is at C point only one reaction is to be generated VC. Now at E point 4 kilonewton load is given, at D point 2 kilonewton load is given. Simple. First of all, find the support reaction. Support reaction, simple, apply the equilibrium condition. Simple equilibrium condition, summation of Fy equal to 0, upper is take to positive and low is negative. So simple, we can write down VA plus VC equal to 4 plus 2, that means 6 Newton. One reaction is here. Now we have two unknowns. One more reaction is to be generated. First we have reactions VA plus VC equal to 6. Now second reaction is to be generated. Take the moment about any support reaction. Take the moment summation of MA equal to 0. Consider the anti-clockwise minus and clockwise is positive. At A point all forces will be 0. Moment means simply force into perpendicular distance. So VA into 0, no need to written here. At E point 4 kilonewton load is rotated at A point clockwise direction. 4 into how much distance is 1. Next consider at D point plus 2 also rotate in the clockwise direction, plus 2 into how much distance 3. Now at C point VC at A point the rotation is to be anti-clockwise direction, minus VC how much distance 1 and 1 and 4 equal to 0. Simple, calculate it. 4 plus 6 equal to 4 into VC equal to 10 into equal to 4 into VC. Calculate it. 2, 5 and 2. VC equal to, we can write down 2.5 kilonewton. This value is putting in equation. First find the values in VA. So from equation first putting the values VA plus VC how much 2.5 equal to 6. VA equal to 6 minus 2.5 equal to 6 minus 2.5. 6 minus 2.5, that means we get the values equal to 3.5 kilonewton. That means two support reaction is VA equal to 3.5 kilonewton, VC equal to 2.5 kilonewton. Consider the horizontal force summation of Fx equal to 0. Take left to right negative and right to left is positive. HA HA equal to 0. HA we get the value is 0. HA equal to 0. Okay. Now next step, apply the method of joint. Consider which joint is to be considered should not be more than 2 fourths of members. 2 fourths of members. That means at A joint, consider the joint A. Joint A, draw the FBD. Draw the FBD simple. At A, vertical reaction is VA equal to 3.5 kilonewton, and members is B. Inclined members is E. Angle is given 60 degree. Now A is the inclined member. Definitely 2 component is to be generated. First one is the horizontal component FAE cos 60 degree, and the vertical component FAE sin 60 degree. Now apply the simply equilibrium condition. Simply summation of Fy equal to 0, upper take to positive and down is negative. 3.5 upper positive. Also FAE sin 60 degree equal to 0. Now FAE equal to minus 3.5 upon sin 60 degree. Calculate the values. FAE equal to 3.5 divided by sin 60 degree. That means 4.41 kilo Newton negative. Negative sign indicates the member is to be compression. Now consider the next equilibrium condition, summation of Fx equal to 0. Left to right negative and right to left is positive. Consider the member FAB, member AB, left to right, that means negative, and also left to right minus FAE cos 60 degree equal to 0. Minus FAB is the unknown, minus FAE. Dear student, यहाँ putting these values with the sign minus 4.041 into cos 60 equal to 0. So minus FAB equal to minus plus, that means right hand transfer, minus multiplied by 4.041 into cos 60 degree, that means 2.027 kilo Newton. Minus cancel, that means okay. FAB we get the values. FAB equal to 2.027 kilo Newton. Positive indicate to the tension members. Now further consider the next joint. Okay. Now consider the next joint, joint C. Draw the FBD simple. C vertical force equal to 2.5 kilonewton, and this member is also connected. This is CB, and this member is also connected D, and between this angle is also given. This angle is 60 degree. C point. That means CD is the inclined member. That means 2 component is to be developed. First one is the vertical called FCD sin 60 degree, and next one is the horizontal component FCD cos 60 degree. Now apply the simple equilibrium conditions. Summation of Fy equal to 0. Upper is positive and down is negative. Consider the all forces down to up, that means 2.5 plus FCD sin 60 degree equal to 0. Right here FCD equal to minus 2.5 upon sin 60 degree. Now calculate, simply calculate 2.5 divided by sin 60 degree in 2.FCD equal to minus 2.88 kilonewton. Negative sign indicates the member is to be compression. 2.88 kilonewton. This is compression in nature. Now next equilibrium, take the next equilibrium condition. Summation of Fx equal to 0, left to right negative and right to left is positive. So now consider the left to right, that means positive FCB plus FCD cos 60 degree equal to 0. Equal to FCB. FCB is the findings values minus FCB plus FCD. We have already values. All the sign is to be considered. Minus 2.88 into cos 60 equal to 0. So FCB equal to 2.88 multiplied by cos 60 degree, that means 1.44 kilonewton. Positive sign indicates to the member in the tension. Now consider the next. Now consider the next point, next joint B. Draw the FBD. This one is the B member BC. Right hand side, left hand side BA, inclined members is BD, and also this one is the inclined member is BE. Angle we have already given 60 degree and this one is 60 degree. Definitely we have two inclined members. Definitely two components is to be generated. First one is the horizontal and second one is the vertical. Firstly, take the BD member. BD member, that means two components is to be there, FBD cos 60 degree and FBD sin 60 degree. Next, consider inclination members BE. Vertical member is FBE sin 60 degree, and next is horizontal member FBE cos 60 degree. Now simply apply the equilibrium condition. Summation of Fy equal to 0. Simply upper positive and down negative. Consider all the force members FBD sin 60 degree plus FBE sin 60 degree equal to 0. Common the values. Sin 60 degree FBD plus FBE equal to 0. Take the equation 2. Now consider the second equilibrium condition. Summation of Fx equal to 0. Left to right negative or right to left positive. Now consider FBE cos 60 degree and minus plus FBE cos 60 degree, right to left negative, minus FBD cos 60 degree. Also consider the members FBC also considered in the negative left to right, and BA positive, FBA equal to 0.
Okay.
Equal to FBE cos 60 degree minus FBD cos 60 degree. Already we have values FBC minus 1.44 plus BA already we have 2.020 equal to 0. Now calculate, after calculation FBE
Okay.
FBD minus FBE equal to 1.16. Take the equation 3. Equation.
Okay.
From equation 2 and equation 3, after solving we get FBD equal to 0.58 kilonewton tensile, and next force of the member FBE equal to minus 0.58 kilonewton. That means minus indicate is to be compression in member C. FBE.
Okay.
Now consider the next last joint D. Draw the FBD D. This members B, DB, and this is here C. This member is DE. This angle is to be made is 60 degree. This is also the 60 degree. Write down the component inclined members. Consider the all forces in the outer direction. This one is the, consider the DB members. FDB sine 60 degree and FDB cos 60 degree. Now consider the members. Second member DC members. This one is the DC sine 60 degree. Horizontal members is horizontal component FDC cos 60 degree. Now simply apply the equilibrium condition. Summation of Fy equal to 0. Upper is positive and down is negative. Minus FDB sine 60 degree minus FDC sine 60 degree equal to 0. That means FDB minus FDC equal to 0. Consider the equation 4th.
Okay.
Now consider the next equilibrium condition. Summation of Fx equal to 0. Left to right negative and right to left positive. To right to left positive. FDB cos 60 degree plus FDE minus FDC cos 60 degree equal to 0.
Okay.
FDB we have already calculated 0.58 cos 60 degree, that means 0.5 plus FDE minus plus 2.88 cos 60 equal to 0. After calculation FDE equal to 1.73 minus kilonewton. That means FDE equal to 1.73 kilonewton in compression in nature. That means all the values is to be find the members in compression, tension. Compressions means indicates the negative sign and tensions mean indicate the positive sign.
Okay.
Now all the force members is to be here putting in the tabulate forms. Serial number, force in the member, magnitude, nature of force. We have 7 members AB, BC, CD, DE, AE, BE and BD. Putting the all values and indicate nature of forces. Nature of forces also important for the indications of these members is to be compression and which members is to be tensile. Tensile. AB, BC both are tensile in nature. CD, DE, AE, BE these members is to be compression in nature, and T is the tensile in nature, BD member in tensile in member. Now this is the end of the problem. Thank you very much.